chips like the one I have here, these chips.
We're asking them to cooperate with us.
The United States is doing what it has done since its founding: take and rob. What is the purpose of the US's data extortion? The United States extorted data from chip companies. Its purpose is to recapture the leading position of global chip manufacturers. As we all know, chips are widely used in our daily life. Smartphones, computers, cars, medical equipment, radios, thermostats are inseparable from it. In recent years, the US government has repeatedly intervened in the global semiconductor sector. This is not the first time it has directly robbed a high-tech company. Japanese companies, once leaders in the chip industry, after being sanctioned by the United States, were forced to sign the Japan-US Semiconductor Agreement and unilaterally open their intellectual property rights and patents to the US. Finally, it declined and was overtaken by the US. The United States crackdown on Huawei is the same routine. And now, the United States has once again to chip companies' data extortion. The familiar scenes are playing out all over again. On September 23 this year, the United States held a semiconductor supply chain summit, requiring global chip companies to submit relevant data within 45 days. After the meeting, Gina Raimondo, the U.S. Commerce Secretary, issued a blunt threat. The U.S. has other ways to let companies provide data if they are unwilling to respond to the requests, but she hopes companies don't go that far. In order to obtain data from chip companies, the United States has also thoughtfully designed a 26-question questionnaire. The content covers technology nodes, customers, production plans, materials and equipment procurement, etc. With those data in hand, the United States would have known the cards of its competitors. But the more worrisome is that the U.S. government is likely to hand over the information to American companies and use it as a tool for them to compete globally. For non-U.S. companies, in any future business negotiations, other chip enterprises will be in a streaking state. The United States is doing what it has done since its founding: take and rob. The goal of the US's action is very clear now, that is to nurture its own enterprise, regain its global chip manufacturer leadership position,